Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Astell&Kern, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. The Astell&Kern PD10 Black is a new version of the high-end portable music player that introduces significant technical improvements over its silver counterpart. Set to be officially unveiled at CanJam SoCal on September 13 to 14, 2025, this model incorporates technologies previously exclusive to the flagship SP4000. Key features include full Android support with the ADP, Astell&Kern Direct Path, technology, allowing for the installation of apps from the Google Play Store without audio quality loss. The PD10 Black also introduces the second-generation Advanced DAR, digital audio remaster, system, which uses a two-phase process to enhance audio by recovering lost harmonics and performing precision upsampling. The new 4.5 generation GUI includes animated virtual vinyl records and a battery-saving Crimson theme. Connectivity is bolstered by Qobuz Connect integration, allowing direct control of hi-fi music. Technically, the player features a hexa architecture with 4 AKM AK4498EX DACs and 2 dedicated AK4191 EQ chips, which separate digital and analog processing to reduce interference. It also boasts independent audio circuits for balanced and unbalanced outputs and a dual amplification system with smart gain, which automatically adjusts power based on headphone impedance. The device offers 256 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 2 TB, and various connectivity options like dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, with aptX HD, LHDC, and LDAC support, and AK file drop for wireless file transfers. The 5770 mAh battery provides up to 15 hours of continuous playback. The player's contrast cube design combines stainless steel and glass, and it features redesigned controls. The PD10 Black is positioned to appeal to both experienced audiophiles and new users seeking a high-quality streaming experience. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.